I'm Kirsten Neese with Cornerstone Homes. I'm the Director of Marketing, and today we're going to be touring the Nelson floor plan. This is a new home for us. We are building in the villa section of Spring Creek. A few facts about Spring Creek. So Spring Creek is about 12 miles east of Charlottesville and about 35 miles west of Richmond. So it's really nicely positioned in this beautiful county of Louisa with lots of breweries and wineries nearby, lots of great local historic attractions and wineries and breweries, which I think I just said. So anyway, the Nelson and our villa homes here feature wonderful architecture with lots of different dimensions and coloring to differentiate each of the homes in each building and blend in seamlessly with the beautiful surrounding landscape. Spring Creek was started in about 2005, and there are 1,100 acres here to be developed. We are in the tail end of the community, so that is wonderful for new homeowners because that means that all of your lifestyle activities are already in place. Spring Creek also features a nationally ranked golf course with bent grass and beautiful greens and river walls or wooden river bridges and river rock retaining walls. That's a lot to say, but that's a lot about the community. Let's go take a peek inside at the Nelson floor plan. Enter the Nelson. You'll notice this lovely front porch and this expansive entrance foyer that gives you a view all the way through to the back of the home. And as you come in, you'll notice this beautiful great room featuring a lovely L-shaped kitchen with a large entertaining island. This island features a two-tone cabinet with a warm wood island with beadboarding and a salt perimeter. We're also featuring our standard appliance package with a microwave hood and electric range. As you swing around here, you'll notice the area on the right is for flex area, for a desk or bookcases. And then as you come around, you'll see this beautiful great room with wonderful windows and large mantle and fireplace. We have a gas fireplace here that's included in the home and a beautiful patio door out to our patio. But first, let's swing around and show you the dining area and back towards the front of the home. So nice, well-lit dining area. As we enter out onto the back patio, you'll see this great covered area that's perfect for a morning cup of coffee or an afternoon cocktail. And this lovely backyard with lovely privacy fence between you and your neighbor. Swing around and we'll show you the back of the home and this beautiful neighborhood. So many big open skies. And here's that back lovely patio. So as you enter the owner's retreat, you'll notice this beautiful little alcove to situate you and separate you from your greater living area. As you come into this beautifully sized king bedroom, you'll notice the large windows on the back wall, giving you nice bright views. And then a beautiful tray ceiling that's included in the owner's suite. Again, really nicely sized for a king bedroom. And then we've got a great little retreat bathroom back here with a double vanity. And then a wonderful zero threshold shower. So there's no steps into your shower. A nice seat included as well. and beautiful tile surround. And as we step back into the closet, that's nicely sized. We've got lots of wonderful shelving here on the left, and a really nicely sized owner's closet. So as we enter the back of the house and the owner's entry, we've got featuring this nice LVP flooring from Shaw throughout. But this is a wonderful large pantry. And in here we've got our laundry, closet, and again, a 0 threshold out to your garage. So think about it, no steps, carrying in all those groceries, kid in hand, or golf clubs, nice easy access into your home. So as we head upstairs, we want to go back through the foyer, and I want to point out a few features. This wonderful, large, extra deep coat closet with all your Wi-Fi and low voltage controls. A nice powder room tucked under the stairs with a nice, beautiful pedestal sink. An oval mirror. Hi, so now we're upstairs in the Nelson in this beautiful loft space that's just perfect for just about anything that you need or want up here. It can be a media room, it can be a kid's playroom, it can be a hobby room, man cave, she cave, you name it. Beautiful, bright windows, really large space. Great storage closets here. And what's great about it is 2 beautifully sized bedrooms up here. So as you come in, you'll notice that they're really well proportioned. They fit a queen bed nicely, or 2 twins. And this particular bedroom has an amazing, nicely sized walk-in closet as well. As we enter the second bedroom, again, nice bright bedroom overlooking the front of the home with nicely proportioned, again, for a queen or 2 twins, and also a nice large double closet. So just lots of storage in this home, but I haven't even showed you the best part of all the storage. Let's first talk about this bathroom up here. Got another double bowl vanity, full bath up here that's perfect for your guests or your children. Nice large shower and tub with a nice beautiful tile floor. So speaking of storage, there's a beautiful unfinished storage space here that's about 28 by 8 feet deep. That's just wonderful for all those Christmas decorations and holiday items and travel suitcases and all the other things that we all collect over our lifetimes. Well, we hope you've enjoyed the tour of our Nelson floor plan. We're really excited about this plan and would love to share it with you in person. So please give us a ring or stop by our website and visit us to schedule a tour. You can contact us at livespringcreekva.com. That'll take you directly to our Spring Creek webpage, and you can connect with Rick Buckram, our sales manager here. Have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching with us.